Hey y'all, my name is Whitney with SnackTV Network. I've heard so much about chopped sugar that I had to come and see it for myself. What I heard is that Ashley's here and she's got some sweet treats for us. So let's check it out. So I finally get to meet the infamous Ashley with chopped sugar.
Hey girl.
It is so nice to meet you. I've heard so much about you. I've heard so much about chopped sugar and the specialty desserts that you do. Can you tell us a little bit of some of the things that you're known for?
So I'm mostly known for my keto desserts. Okay. And that's sugar-free and low carb.
Okay.
So the biggest seller is going to be our cheesecake. So we have all different cheesecake flavors.
Okay.
A variety of cheesecakes that are almost good for you. Like you need to eat those.
You need to eat them.
Yeah.
See, I love that. You need to eat them. How many people can really say that about their dessert, y'all? You need to eat them. So, what is this I hear about Shady J?
Shady J is a menace.
A menace.
He is a pain in my side. But I love him. I love him to death, and that's why I don't get rid of him. But he comes in, steals my stuff, sells it on the black market. Anything he can do to get his hands on some chopped sugar, he does.
So does he bring anything to chopped sugar?
No.
Okay. So what would you say is a solution for that? How can you fix?
I hired security.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Okay.
I have to pay security now 24 hours to be outside of my house, so he doesn't come and steal my stuff and sell it on the black market.
24 hours?
Yes.
Girl, if you need some extra backup, you just let me know.
I might, but I think my security has it though. Okay. I've been knowing him a long time.
Okay.
She's a good one. I got a cake in the oven.
Ooh.
Right now, let me go ahead and make sure it's done.
That smells good.
Thank you, don't it?
Was that Shady J?
Girl, if it is, trust me, my security's on it.
Okay. Just remember I got backup.
I ain't even worried about him.
Okay. So what kind of cake is this?
That's a white German chocolate cake.
Okay.
And so I made it for my mother's birthday party this weekend.
Okay.
So I've been tagged in it
online. Was that security?
Yeah. Girl, I ain't worried. She got it.
Whoop. There goes the cake. I'm going to call my backup for you right now.
This ridiculous.
Be sure to download the free SnackTV app to your Roku to see what happens next.